In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to Google Sites. Uploading a PDF to your Google site is a great way to share documents like reports, brochures, worksheets, or instructions directly on a page so visitors can view them without downloading files first. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your Google site in edit mode. Go to Google Sites the way you normally do, then choose the site you want to work on and open the specific page where you want the PDF to appear. Make sure you're in the site editor, not just the published view. You can tell you're in edit mode if you see the editing tools and the sidebar on the right. If you don't, look for the edit button, usually a little pencil icon, and click it. Once you're on the correct page and in edit mode, turn your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel with different options for adding content. In that right-hand column, look for the option labeled Embed. This is what we'll use to bring your PDF into the page. Go ahead and click on Embed. This will open a small window or dialog where you can add content from a web link. Now, you'll need the web address of your PDF, also known as the PDF URL. Your PDF should already be uploaded somewhere online, such as Google Drive, a file hosting service, or your organization's website. Open that PDF in your browser and copy the full URL from the address bar. Then, come back to Google Sites and in the Embed window, paste that PDF URL into the field provided. Take a moment to make sure the link is complete and that the PDF is accessible. If it's in Google Drive, you may need to adjust the sharing settings so visitors can view it. After you've pasted the URL and Google Sites has recognized the content, you're ready to place it on the page. Click on the Insert button in the Embed window. Google Sites will add the PDF element to your page. You can then drag to reposition it and use the blue handles around the edges to resize it so it fits neatly within your layout. When you're happy with how it looks, remember to save and publish your changes so your visitors can see the embedded PDF on your live site. That's all you need to do to upload and display a PDF on Google Sites.